Yo, what's going on, man? We bike in here with another one, man. Welcome back. 7 o'clock in the morning, man. The sun is shining, as you can see. Oh my God, it's shining down on me. But anyway, man, we're just gonna get straight into it, man. Hey, look, I hope y'all seeing the consistency, man, of the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday video drops, man. Trying to be consistent, man. Trying to, you know what I'm saying, keep y'all busy for the most part. Yeah, and it's really disciplining me too. Like, I got a whole 2 cameras, 2 memory cards full of videos that I hadn't posted, man, because I was really just trying to see if that's where I wanted to go with this. So now I guess you can say I'm back in the saddle, man. I'm trying to do Monday. I'm trying to do Monday. I'm trying to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday vlogs, man, for y'all. So yeah, that being said, man, like I said, I'm trying to be consistent with that. But yeah, I'm at work again, so I ain't got rich yet. So yeah, I came down working for somebody today. This ain't what I usually do. I'm now sitting in one location, like moving trailers around, which is alright, I guess. But I seen this thing here, man. I don't want to walk around this truck too much. I don't want to walk around this guy's truck too much, man, because I don't know how he might respond to that. Check this out. There's a whole lot of truck. Long-nosed people. I ain't gonna do too much because, like I said, I don't know how he feel about me recording this truck, but man, look at that, man. That's a stretch there, boy. Outlaw ride. That's a nice truck. I like that. I be liking them stretch trucks. I don't understand like how they get to certain places, man, and get in certain places. That's a whole lot of truck, man. Some stacks on that thing. I don't even know how many inches it is. Ain't no 3 inch. That's for damn sure. Yeah. That was cool. I love it, man. I want to try one just to see. But yeah, man. I said I'm in the workouts. Let's see how this day about to unfold. We've been doing this. Check back periodically. See my head and it's gonna be the minimum because I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, they just kind of just sent me here and was like, "Hey, this is what you're doing today." So yeah. Do that. One of my notches just went off my battery, so I'm about to put this battery on the charger and work with some other stuff that I probably need to be working on. Yeah. So with that being said, man, y'all stay tuned. See how this day gonna unfold, man. And yeah, we'll go from there. Back, man. Just jump straight into it, man. Hey, look, I know any job is dangerous. I say that, man. Any job is dangerous, man. But some are a little more dangerous than others. And if this truck ain't gone, I'm gonna show y'all what I mean, man. Like, y'all really, like, a lot of people really don't think, like, because we're in a big truck that, you know what I'm saying, that like it's dangerous, man. This is a dangerous job. Where it come from You know what I'm saying? Cars pulling in front of you, having to watch out for other people when you're driving, especially. Man, just a whole bunch of stuff, man. But them ain't even the only problems we have to deal with. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, it could be anything really. You know what I'm saying? Like, and what I'm about to show you is another reason, is another thing that can happen, man. Y'all check it out. I don't know if y'all can see that. I hope it's straight. But his truck burnt up from the cab and burnt all the way up through the trailer. Like, bro, this is, man, this real life, bro. Like, a lot of people don't put a lot of respect on truck drivers. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all, a lot of people don't. And it's like, you know, it's a profession. It's what we chose to do. I guess some people know what you getting into when you get into it. Some people don't. Like, when I first got into truck driving, I never thought like, yeah, my truck will burn up and do this and do that. Until I seen it when I was on the road. Truck blew up and burned up right in the fuel line. You know what I'm saying? In the pilot. And what was I? I was in Maryland. No, I was in West Virginia. West Virginia, Maryland, one of them. I was at the top of it, whatever it was. You know what I'm saying? Like you never know what can happen. People don't imagine going to work and getting their fingers and their arms and stuff cut off, you know what I'm saying, by dealing with the machinery, man. Like, I guess what I'm trying to say is, hey man, whatever it is that you do, man, pay attention to what you're doing. Be careful, man. Try your best to come back home the same way you left, man. With all your parts, all your, you know what I'm saying, all your extremities. You don't want to be going to the hospital, man, on no job-related shit. Yeah, you're going to get paid for it, but now it's something missing. You know what I'm saying? You're still like the same. Like, that be my thing, man. Like, just be careful, bro. It ain't cool, man, to, you know what I'm saying? It ain't cool to get hurt. That would be real with you. It ain't cool getting hurt. You know what I'm saying? It ain't cool to, like, some of these folks ain't even making it home, man. So, think about that. Think about that, man, before you do something that's unsafe because you in a hurry or because you mad and you just don't care today. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, be mindful, man, of what's going on because that ain't cool. It ain't cool to end up like that. Shifting with the camera, man. Butter shifts too. Y'all seen me with the camera, man. That was butter shifts, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, now I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna be totally real with you. This is totally contradicting to what I just said. I just said before you do anything unsafe, which I ain't really doing nothing unsafe, but I'm doing something unsafe though. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm recording while I'm driving, which I'm paying attention to what I'm doing for real though. But yeah, it's unsafe. It is unsafe. So, with that being said, I'm gonna put this camera down. I'll hit y'all in a second. Y'all know what time it is, man. Finna gauge up. I know it's been a while. It's been probably about 2 months. Maybe about 2 months. Because I did something, I ain't gonna say I did nothing stupid, but I did something that I was quickly reminded that I shouldn't have done. So what I did was, which I did with both ears, but it just didn't work right for one of them. But when I did the taper in this one, I hurried up and pushed the tunnel through there too. And I did it with this one, but I don't know what happened, but this one didn't want to cooperate with this shit. So it took longer for this one to heal. Like it was bleeding, like I had ripped like the inside, so it was kind of bleeding like, and doing a whole bunch of stuff. So I really had to nurse that back, you know what I'm saying? They tell you to go down the size when that happened, but I didn't blow my ear out, so I didn't go down the size. I kept the same size what I had, and I just kind of nursed it back to, you know what I'm saying, to health or healing or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so now it's all good. I got a tunnel in there now, in both of them, but I was using those tunnels down there at the bottom. Not these, but the ones similar to that. You know what I'm saying? So I hurried up and pushed that through, and kind of ripped I think it ripped the inside. So now what I'm finna do, I'm finna stretch, and I'm just gonna leave the taper in for probably about a week. And yeah, leave the taper in for about a week, and then just roll with it like that, at least 5 days, and roll with it like that, and then I change them out. You know what I'm saying? How I change them out like that. But I'm not gonna rush to do it because I don't want to go through that again. So with that being said, man, I'm about to go ahead and get into it, man. We're in a 6 right now, and about to try to move up to this 4. Go to the 4 gauge, man. We that much closer. We that much closer to our goal, man. Our goal is the 00. So we going to a 4. So the only thing we got is 2, 0, and 00. So we got 3 more sides to go after this 4. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Go on, try to knock it out. Y'all know how I go. This is the 4. We're just rolling with it right now. Let's see. We got a little jojoba oil on it. We're just rolling with it to see how far it's gonna go before it really starts stinging like. But yeah, it's already in further than what the usual ones be. Like they usually don't even get this far first. So I don't know if that's like my indication that I can skip a size. I probably don't need to skip no size though, cause that 2 is kind of big. So yeah, but here we are. It's crazy. We're going up. One side done. Done on the 4G. Now we gotta work on this one. Working from a 6 to a 4. And that one didn't even take long. It actually kind of, I mean, it gave me a little resistance, but it wasn't like how the other ones were. So yeah, we good. You're a little red, but I guess it's supposed to do that, so it's okay. But yeah, works for me. I tried to get Ashley to do it. She said she want to pierce, but she said she didn't want to do it. So so yeah, I guess. But yeah, so let me go ahead and put this hot towel on this one so kind of loosen it up and go from there. I don't know why, but that went in really easy. Like, it went in really easy. So, like I said, I'm not sure if it was because of the hot towel I put on there, which I don't think it was. It just, I don't know, it went in real easy though. So, we done. We on a 4 gauge, y'all. Let's see. Is this one sticking out further than that one? Yep, it is. So I might push this one down a little more. So it's sticking out further than that one. It's sticking up a little bit. So yeah. Let me put my other band on the back and we'll be done. Yes, sir. Yeah. In there. Man, it's downhill from here though. Man, this what look. I showed my cousin and she was like, man, that's like a damn bullet. This right here what we're trying to get to. We're trying to get here, man. And we are 2 sizes from it. 3 if you include this. That's what we're trying to get to. This is my stopping point right here. This is the tunnel. This is where I'm gonna stop. So, yeah. From here, uh-oh, it's gonna drop it. From here to here. I'm looking at the 2. That's my next size. Then we gotta go to the regular 0, and then we go from the regular 0 to the double 0. So I ain't got long. I got about, I guess, 3 more months. So that'll put me at what's this? March, April, May, June. June I should be done. In which it could have been May, but I sat out a month because this ear wasn't healing properly. So, yeah. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. I'm bringing y'all every step of the way. So, yeah. Cool, though. But, yeah. That being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here with this video. So, yeah. It's your dog, man. Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't Man. With the gauges, man. Yeah, what it is.